turning the bloody thing. Because what happens is I turn the camera, on the bleeding camera, then Scales does a completely different shot, you know? Don't slow down, just toot, yeah? So at least you'll hear him as you go down.
I didn't feel bad because I accidentally scared a man the other day.
They go by a bleeding bucket and spade, George. But I don't see the point. Maybe to the beach. We're going to have a walk down the beach. I'll let you go yourself.
That's the problem, isn't it?
It is horrible. Probably dump it back today. You know? Dump it back today and say adios. You're part of that. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just not that impressed. I was coming on just now and the whole thing is misfiring. Yeah, I mean really misfiring. What's up with the water? Did you have any breakfast? I feel like I'm doing a tour. Her feet always bleed this line. I'll get her skis. Watch your arm out here, yeah, with the lunatics going past on the bikes. Hey, got no bloody idea. I'm going to take your arm off. A toss of the gloss house down there, isn't it? You know? What? Toss house. Huh? But where was you looking? I'm not going to 360 this, I'm going to edit it as a flat. Bit of skirts in the support place, that's annoying. Go on then.
I'm in a video.
Go on then.
Okay, wait. Okay. Ethan's mother has 4 kids. South, North and West. What's the other kid's name?
Say again. No.
No.
Well, you have done this before and I got it right. I don't care where we aim. Aim away, that's what I say. That means still. Go on then.
Ethan's mother has 4 kids. South, North and West. What's the other kid's name?
Ethan.
Yeah. It's a bad part.
Bloody cheek. Fucking hell, turning this stuff takes forever. Straight into it. I know, yeah. Is that an old one then? Despacito. Is that an old one?
It's like 2018, which is aged.
It's not. Oh, that's really buoy, that is. Yes, Noah? Yeah, don't touch anything. Yeah? No, it's your turn, yeah. No, it's only doing it while we wait. Yes, don't touch anything, yeah? Because otherwise the car will start. Do you want me to shut the door, Sky? Yeah?